So what is Wix? Wix is a website builder that allows you to build your very own website, just like this one. Wix is very easy to use, so it's a perfect tool for people without any technical skills or without any coding skills. It's a so-called what you see is what you get editor, meaning you can build your website in the front end directly on your home page. I'm pretty sure if you can use PowerPoint, you will be able to use Wix as well. But of course, Wix can do more for you than just websites. You can also create your own professional landing pages with Wix and collect leads. Or you can also launch your own online store and sell physical and digital products via your store. Or you can write your own blog posts and publish them to the web, and they will rank on Google. As you can tell, Wix can do a lot of things for you. It's not just a website builder, it's a tool for customer relationship management, and it's a billing system so you can accept payments from your visitors and make them your customers. Simply put, it's the perfect tool for building your online business. And the best part, you can start using Wix for free and test it out. You will find the link to Wix down in the description of this video. It's a partner link, so you can start your free trial. And at the same time, you're supporting me and my channel. So thank you a lot if you're using my link. And once you have signed up, you will land on this page at some point, and here you can choose your very own template for your website. And once you have made up your mind and choose your template, you can go ahead and make edits to your website. This is the one I have created in a different tutorial. So I uploaded my own picture and I edited the text to my own name. And here you can see that Wix is a drag and drop editor, so you can really move elements around and just make it your own. You can change the colors, upload your own pictures, even add new sections to your website. And they have a lot of design templates for you where you can choose from. So for example, if I want to add my team to my website, I can then just choose this one, and it's directly adding a new section, and then I can go ahead and change the names and upload the pictures of my own team here. So you see how easy it is to use Wix. It's really what you see is what you get. So you don't have any code and you don't have any backend where you have to make changes. You can directly do it on a canvas here on your website and then go ahead and preview it and publish it to the web. Before we publish, you can either publish it for free and then you get a dummy domain from Wix. So for example, julianshomepage.wixsite.com, which is of course not the final solution, but it's nice to share the link and show it to your loved ones or to your colleagues to see what they say about your new website. But if you want to become a professional, you can go ahead and connect your own domain. And the nice part, Wix offers you a free domain for the first year, and you just have to choose one of these plans. I always recommend starting with a light plan because it already gives you the free domain and 2 collaborators. And you can start here at 13 euros, which is roughly $15. Or you can have the core plan, which starts at $26. And this is when you want to accept payments and you want to have basic e-commerce functionality. So basically, if you want to build an online store, this plan would be for you. But in general, start with this plan and then you can always upgrade later. And you also have a 14-day money-back guarantee. So yeah, you have the free trial and the money-back guarantee. There's not really much risk involved in trying out Wix. And if you're still not sure if you want to try out a website builder or you want to have your own content management system such as WordPress, then here's the key difference. I started out my journey in 2015 with WordPress, so I built my first website on WordPress. But today I have my own website on Wix, which is julianweber.com, and I'm pretty happy with it because I customized it to my liking. And here I upload all my tutorials, my website tutorials, and I even host my own website coaching, so people can log in and then they can see the content which I'm uploading there, and they can also chat with me and ask me any questions. So this is pretty cool, and it's all built on Wix. But as said, I started with WordPress, and a lot of people of you might heard from WordPress. And yeah, it's a content management system, but the downside is that you have to host your own sites. So basically what is happening, you have to purchase your own servers, then you buy your own domain, then you need a page builder and a theme. And to run the site properly, you also need a couple of plugins. And this can be quite cumbersome and overwhelming for a beginner. And that's why I always recommend a website builder, because It's an all-in-one solution, and Wix just happened to be the best one in my opinion. And it's also the biggest website builder and therefore offers the most amount of templates and the most amount of features. Because you can also send out email campaigns, or people can book your services or make an online store as said. So there's a lot you can do. And for me, it's just the perfect tool for small and medium-sized businesses or self-employed people like me. So yeah, if you want to try it out, as said, it's for free. You will find the link down in the description of this video. Once you've down there, please give it a thumbs up and ask me anything in the comments. I make sure I will answer it. And you will find a lot of tutorials for Wix on my channel. So see you in the next one. Goodbye.